Alright y'all, so today Mama's not feeling well. So we're filming Cooking with Fergie outside. Prep and cook. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, Scott Ferguson here. Things like that. Today, on Cooking with Fergie, we're going to be doing steaks. That's right folks, ribeyes. America's favorite steak. If that's something you might be interested in, stay tuned. Alright folks, we are going to heat up our grill. Alright, I like to heat up my grill when I start seasoning my steaks. We are going to do a little trimming. We're going to trim that cap off. Make two nice little hunks of meat to eat while we're cooking. Alright. Alright, so we're going to go with some olive oil. Turn that around. Alright. Everything's got a good coating of olive oil on it. Alright. Now we're going to go with a little Montreal steak seasoning. Alright, now we got some minced garlic. I like putting garlic on everything. Smear it around. Cracked pepper. Alright folks, I guess this is my secret to what I think is a good steak. Just plain old fine grated pepper. And you put it on liberally. Gotta make sure you get the sides. Alright. So now, flip them over. Some more garlic. Montreal steak. And pepper. Alright, so now we've got our steaks seasoned. And what we're going to do is we're going to stick them in this plastic bag. Squeeze the air out. Not all the air. I'm not trying to get all the air out necessarily, but they're still not warm enough. So I'm going to let them come up to room temperature in this plastic bag so bugs and such don't get on them. They're just not quite warm enough for me yet. We got our two little tenderloin pieces here. Alright guys, so here we are at the grill. It's been heating up as long as our steaks have been, we've been working on our steaks. Got our grill brush. Alright. We are going to stick our two little tenderloin pieces on that we trimmed off. Okay, so we're only at 300 now. I want it to be a little bit hotter. We're going to throw in those two little pieces of meat, let the grill get a little bit hotter, and we'll throw the steaks on. Stay tuned. Alright, let's check our little tenderloins. We're at about 350 now. Oh yeah. Alright, y'all, let's check on these little hunks of meat we got cooking in here. Oh yeah. I'd say they're done. Alright, so our steaks are up to temperature, room temperature. Take them out of the bag. Grill's up to 400. Let's cut one of these little pieces of meat open. Oh man. Look at that. Oh man, that is so good. Look at that. Just, oh man. Alright, so I'm going to give my son this other hunk of meat because he'll appreciate it. And we're going to close the lid on this. We're going to go 5 minutes. They're about an inch, inch and a quarter. 1 inch, I go 4 minutes, but we'll give it a check. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so it's been like 3 minutes. I'm just going to give them a turn, like a clockwise turn. There we go, close it down again. Alright guys, let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Starting to get a little blood at the top. Yeah, that looks real nice. So there's what I'm seeing, folks. Yeah, buddy. Looking good. Looking good. Alright, we're going to close the lid on that. 5 more minutes. Alright guys, let's see what it looks like. It's looking good. We're going to give it our turn. We're going to turn it down. We're going to put some butter on it. I didn't put any salt. Whatever was in the Montreal steak seasoning is it. I didn't put any other salt on this. I'm going to get the salt from the butter. 2 more minutes. Alright guys, let's take our Weber cooking thermostat. See what our internal temperature is. Alright, we got 145. There, coming off. Alright. So now, we're going to let these sit. We're going to let them sit for 10 minutes. So it'll be a flash for you, but I got to wait 10 minutes. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, let's cut this thing up. A little too much. Some people might think that's perfect. Let's see what we got here. That's a little bit better. And I know a lot of y'all out there like it more pink than that. But let me tell you, look at that. That is tender. What are you doing with the blood? Juicy. It's juicy. Look at that. Here.
Oh yeah.
Oh man. It's so juicy. Very flavorful. And again, just enough salt from the butter. You don't need to throw a lot of salt on it. People throw a lot of salt on everything. Salt makes everything taste better. At the end, pat of butter, let it go over the top. Alright guys, Scott Ferguson, things like that. Cooking with Fergie, quick steak. Y'all take care. Thanks for watching.